Why does the digital world seem so obsessed with image processing techniques and sensors? The answer lies in the power these tools wield in transforming raw data into meaningful information. Today, we're diving into 7 key concepts that illustrate this power. First up, the Harris corner detector, an algorithm that identifies corner points within an image. It's like a treasure hunter, seeking out spots where intensity changes significantly in multiple directions. This detector operates on the eigenvalues of the second moment matrix, pinpointing points of interest that remain constant, regardless of rotation or intensity. It's like a steadfast compass in the ever-changing sea of image data. Next, we have intensity slicing. Think of it as a spotlight on a stage, highlighting specific ranges of intensities within an image. By differentiating between objects and the background, or between different objects based on intensity values, it helps to enhance features, making them stand out for better visual analysis or further processing. Chista. Then there's min shift, a non-parametric feature space analysis technique used for clustering, tracking, and finding the modes of a distribution. Imagine a data point on a journey, continually shifting towards the peak of a density function. This shift is pivotal in image processing and computer vision, particularly in tasks such as segmentation and tracking. Dilation is the fourth concept. In the world of image processing, dilation is like a growth spurt, increasing the size of objects in a binary image. By filling in small holes and gaps and connecting disjoint objects, it enhances the structure of the foreground, making the image more cohesive and complete. On to the Fourier Transform, a mathematical operation that transforms a function of time or space into a function of frequency. Picture it as a translator, decoding the language of time or space into the language of frequency. This translation allows for operations like filtering, image analysis, and compression by manipulating the image in the frequency domain. The sixth concept is the active sensor. These are the initiators devices that emit their own energy to illuminate or scan objects and environments. They measure the reflection of their own energy signal, functioning like radar, LiDAR, and sonar. Their active nature makes them invaluable in applications like remote sensing, autonomous vehicles, and environmental monitoring. Finally, we have the passive sensor. These are the observers, detecting natural energy emitted or reflected by objects. Unlike their active counterparts, they don't produce energy. They simply capture it. They're like photographic cameras, infrared sensors, and charge-coupled devices used in satellite imaging, meteorology, and environmental monitoring. Each of these concepts, from the Harris corner detector to passive sensors, plays a crucial role in image processing and sensing. They're the unsung heroes of the digital world, turning raw data into meaningful, actionable information. They are the power behind the scenes, driving the digital world forward. So, next time you marvel at the clarity of a satellite image or the precision of an autonomous vehicle, remember the mighty tools at work: image processing techniques and sensors.